this coffee cup is really awesome.
12:30. Let's not keep them waiting. All right. I think we are up.
Hey everybody!
Hey!
Thanks for being here.
This
right.
is Mike Whiteside.
Yeah, Tay
And
Grayson. Grayson rocked the solo live last night just to keep you guys informed.
It wasn't as fun without you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I'm really glad we're doing it all together.
Hey, you flew great on your own. That was cool.
Well, this is my, first Facebook
This is
Live?
your first
for the season?
Yeah.
Well, so y'all remember last season we tried to do the Twitter live, and Dad, you would chime in every now and again.
Yeah, I do it in my jammies.
Yeah, which is how everyone I think does
tweet.
Twitter. But so this is a lot. We love this format. We've been getting some really good engagement. We hear that you guys like this too. I think it's an easier way just for us to get our thoughts out.
Yeah.
And relate to
There's
you guys.
other ways, but this is one of them.
Yeah. Sometimes they just leak out.
Yeah.
So the episode was the Taylor Farm.
Yeah, it was Yorktown, Virginia, and it was originally an Indian settlement.
Oh yeah, very originally.
Pocosa Indians, I
The
guess?
Kissawak.
Kissawak.
But
what'd you do this weekend?
Kissawak. Sorry, that was...
It's under construction.
We're under construction here, and we forgot to tell people not to make noise. So,
see how long that was.
We'll fix that.
Can you hear us?
It's a big hole. Yeah.
There we go. It'll take a few minutes.
So yeah, we're in our stone house. I mean, real quickly, we should probably mention that.
We're in the, we call it the stone house of Black Dog Salvage.
That's right.
It came with the property when Robert and I bought this place. And it was built in 1911 by an Italian stonemason. And it's kind of cool that this is a repurposed house when it was built. He recycled stone and other architectural elements from buildings that he had taken down. And Robert could probably tell you a lot more about this, or at least correct what I'm saying.
Squeeze on in. Sorry about the noise, folks.
Oh, that's all right. It's under construction. You know that.
That's a sound of progress. Not freedom, but progress.
So we were just talking about the stone house because the noise and
the history
and
Italian stonemason.
Right. Well, we're in the kitchen, obviously, and we'll show you this close up here in a second. But this is the kitchen island that was featured last night in the episode. Valley block top, custom cabinets either side, garnished with barnwood and the pole rafters from the Glade Spring.
Good job. Garnish.
With the kitchen.
Well, we're in the hungry.
I never use that in the construction scene. You know what? I like it. I like it a lot.
Yeah.
So I heard it last night. And so that makes
And
a
it's
whole lot of
lunchtime,
sense.
so
I used it last night, I think, too.
after this, we'll be making grilled cheese sandwiches. If
The
we only had
recipe-
some fuel.
The recipe will be down in the comments.
Yeah.
But behind us is the newly renovated, I guess, backsplash. We've got some tile, and this tile, Grayson, came from...
Tay and I salvaged this tile. You might have remembered from, I think it was last season, Salem, Virginia, a farmhouse that...
we flew solo.
This is when you guys were
We were flying solo.
inside.
Tay and I got to take the reins, and so this was the surround out of one of the fireplaces downstairs in that house.
Yeah.
And above the transoms, Robert and his guys made this corrugated, we salvaged this corrugated chicken wire glass from the
Covington.
Train house.
Clifton Forge.
Train house and
Clifton
Clifton
Forge, okay.
That's right. So these used to not be here. This used to be a solid wall, but we wanted to get some light into the stairwell. So we decided to put some transoms in there. What better to use there?
Brilliant.
What better to use there than the train glass? And we actually put that in that doorway over there, which is
We'll show you.
was a window. So
That's right. Well, we got some questions from
So these
last
are
night.
from last night's, and please, as you guys are watching, say hi, tell us where you're watching from, and ask us your questions now about the stone house or about the episode last night. But these are some of the ones that, came in from
Around the world.
our short episode last night.
So Deborah S. asked, why did you need to pull the nails? And I think she's referring to the pole rafters
Right,
that we used
here.
in the
All
kitchen
right.
island.
Grab
Yeah,
that
there you
piece
go.
right
There's
there.
one there.
well,
So
We had to pull the access panel off the back to put the,
we're still
get the
installing
stove
it.
in,
It's
so-
not quite done yet. So this is one of the, would you call it a leg? It's a corner.
Pilaster.
Garnishment.
That we acquired the garnish. that
it's a garnished pilaster.
you
It's
saw-
a technical term.
you saw Tay and I pulled the nails from and kind of cut.
And the reason for pulling the nails is so when you're running it through a saw, you don't ruin your saw blade and it doesn't come flying back at you. So it's a
That's
safety
right.
issue and a maintenance issue for the equipment.
It's a dollar issue is really what it is. Those saw blades are very
Not
expensive.
cheap.
Yeah, good ones are not cheap, yeah.
Are expensive, not
And
cheap.
we typically do this in the field now, but this was, we did this salvage job a long time ago, and we just
Yeah.
threw it in the truck and brought it home.
And
But
there
you
was cut nails.
you always check.
Always
You
check.
never
Oh my gosh.
trust that a board does not have nails.
Right.
Yeah.
Now,
That magnetic
sweet.
tool that you had, the sweep
Yeah,
was
it's
really
just a-
cool.
Oh, now
Really
I forgot metal detector. I've forgotten the name of it. It detects metal. Yeah, it's a good tool if you're getting into woodworking. Definitely pick yourself up.
What's next?
Cheap metal detector. So Gary H asked, it looked like a lot of glassware and personal items were left in the home, and I think he's referring to the one that you all went into while we were doing the boat.
On the salvage.
Oh, in Yorktown.
Yeah, in Yorktown.
It was still owned by the
the
owner,
family,
the
yeah.
family, so we were only contracted to take out.
The architectural parts, yeah, exactly.
So that stuff wasn't going to waste. They had yet to deal with the estate.
Exactly. I mean, we did get a couple pieces off camera. There's usually a little bit more that comes home than they have time to show on the episode. Robert and I negotiated for like a bed frame. It's all on our website too under that job.
Yeah, we got some, our best work is left on the cutting room
We
floor.
did as much as we could in a half hour.
22 minutes actually.
Right. You did pretty good
Yeah,
considering
exactly.
that.
Yeah.
How big was that farm? Asked by Karen S.
Well, that the whole place had gotten a lot smaller since it was a working farm. There was a subdivision that they had sold off the property to, so there was houses all around it. There was probably only about 3 acres left of that.
Yeah,
But
that
the
was,
best 3.
yeah, it was
Oh, yeah.
the
Well,
tip
the
of
waterfront
the
is typically the best part. And it had some beautiful waterfront.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You couldn't see it because it was a little overgrown, but that was a nice little bay back
Yeah,
there.
I suspect the subdivision is going to creep a little bit closer as
Yeah.
they deal with the estate.
The prime lot.
Yeah,
right
the
there.
houses will ensue.
Yeah, people.
People are coming.
Just keep making more of them.
So Julie asked about how old Bonnie was, my bunny, which I think she will be 2 in November. So I guess it makes her like 1 and a half.
Were you
Is that old for a bunny? I don't know.
Yeah, how old do bunnies
I think
live?
bunnies live like 5 years, 5 to 7 years,
Okay.
10 maybe even.
Somebody out there can
20,
tell us. I'm sure.
25.
Who has a bunny? Who can tell me? This is my first bunny.
We got a couple more live questions.
Okay.
You guys can't see the screen. Laura B. From Minnesota wants to know, Mike and Robert, how long have you been in business together?
August.
Way too long.
August of
Not long at
1999 is the answer.
Yeah.
Remember,
It's kind of like he always remembers the term of his enlistment. I remember how long it's been since I've been working with Mike.
His therapist makes
Exactly.
sure that he understands
It's
it.
actually
You see
July 22nd, 1999 is when he first called.
The moment. He's got it documented in his brain.
You tried to ignore that call, didn't you?
I deal with the past a lot better.
Yeah.
What else?
Cindy from Maine wants to know when the stone house is going to open.
There's another
Robert,
question.
we would love to.
I wish I was so
The
definitive on
date
that.
changes.
Yeah, it's weird. It's kind of getting a bleed through June. I know for a fact that you will be able to rent it on July 1st. That's all I know.
That's new.
It may be before, but definitely July.
Okay.
Okay, so there you go, folks.
Coming up, I'll pan the camera around a little bit here in a minute to show you the rest of this,
This
the
room.
kitchen, but we will do another video at a later date when we get closer to completion. and
It's
give you-
almost finished.
Give you
inside.
guys a virtual tour.
There's some exterior work that needs to be done that, a permit has to be cleared and a CO, a certificate of occupancy has to be issued.
But you guys don't need to.
Rules. It's just rules.
Yeah.
It's just money.
It'd be open right now if I had anything to do with it. Of course, I'd break all the rules.
Yeah.
Right.
Kevin L. from right here in Roanoke wants to know, do you have a favorite memory of your adventures as dogs?
Catching a frisbee.
Oh, no, DAW.
Eating.
I'm thinking the water fight was my favorite.
Oh my
Oh,
god.
If not the water fight, it was the gun fight.
That was
There's
the
2
air-
trips. There's
yeah.
It
2
has to
trips
do
to
with an amusement park.
That's right.
Yeah.
So
That whole trip was fun.
Silver Dollar City.
You and I,
That's a really good call.
cramming into a children's ride. That was pretty fun.
That-
Oh my gosh.
Off the
Yes.
chart.
I almost had to stay there.
Yeah,
The
we almost had to
roller
call
coaster.
the
jaws of life.
The fire company to bring you out of there.
Right.
Yeah. How about you, Grayson?
I think this one wasn't on camera, but I just have to share it. We had a group hug, the 5 of us at Maui. So it was really the 6 of us. It was
And we swarmed him.
We
we
were
were
hugging
Salvage
Robert.
Cabin, which will be airing in actually a couple weeks.
Where was
from
it?
now.
Drake's Ranch.
Drake's
Right,
Ranch.
right.
Oh, yeah.
Kind of a love intervention.
It was like all of a sudden it was just the 6 of us alone, and we were like, I think it was Ted who was like,
Film crew was
group hug,
bored. Yeah.
and all of a sudden we just did it. Like we've never had a group hug like that. And basically everyone just curled around Robert. It was just like.
And he made that face.
Yeah, he was like.
And he let us do it, by the way.
Yeah.
The group hug. Yeah.
think
I couldn't get away. The mud was 2 feet deep. So
Right.
I couldn't move very quickly.
Couldn't go anywhere.
Yeah.
It was a rough day, and did that make it better? I'm not sure.
Yeah.
How bad? Yeah, it's gotta make it better.
What else we got?
Anything else?
Well, we got more on the. You've been called the nail whisperer by Raymond.
I love that.
Oh.
That's a good one.
Oh, let's talk about your adoption of the clipboard. You really took on that role.
Robert Jr.
I took a look last night and I was like, man, I'm out of job.
No.
You
Which is
think
what you're
I would
looking
have
for.
been the
Please no.
likely
Please no.
successor, but no. She's the
You
successor.
did a great job of.
You're kind of like Prince Charles. We're just gonna skip right.
Yeah. Ouch for all you Brits out there.
Speaking of Brits, if you're watching the show, let us know what season you're on because we have no idea. I think someone from England, right, last night? England, yeah, said that they're only on season 8. So, yeah, let us know where you're watching and what season you're on if you're out of the country.
Yeah.
We just got a really great question from Linda S. That I want to make sure we get to. Is there something on a salvage job that you regretted leaving behind?
Pretty much everything.
Oh
I was gonna think
no!
of Fountain.
Yeah, I know which one you're thinking.
Oh, no, we won't go there.
Yeah.
No, don't bring up the fountain. There's no reason to bring up the fountain now. But perfectly good things are left behind all the time.
One is this glass. We left probably 100 times what we took on the building because there was only so much time and only so much of us.
So much truck. That's
Yeah.
usually a big problem too. Is that
Logistics can
Huge
get in the way.
buildings.
right?
Yeah.
What you see on camera is all we have, team-wise and equipment-wise and truck.
Right.
There's no behind-the-scenes.
Every once
freight line.
in a while we'll bring in a big truck, but
Yeah.
even once you fill that thing up, it's like you got to do the math, and it's.
And then we got to house, as
you
you
gotta
say,
cut
we got
run.
to house it and feed it as you.
Yeah,
as guys
you got to
play.
kind of take a
Now.
mental assessment too.
I still have plenty of them, so come back and buy.
We start out with a lot of power and we end up with a whimper going like, I'm over.
Yeah, some
Right after
things.
this.
Yeah, at the beginning things look really, really valuable.
Right,
Yeah.
right.
Robert about
Look at
noon the
all this
first day says, I think we're only about an hour behind schedule.
Which is pretty good.
Which is like
Which
3
is
hours.
not, yeah.
24 hours.
This glass is awesome though. We've used it in a few other projects.
Yeah.
In fact, the exterior lights all around the house are going to have shades in front of them.
Yeah, we're doing the
And
sconce
lights as
for
well.
it.
So-
Custom-made sconce that will be
They're so
available
beautiful.
on our limited line pretty soon.
Yeah, that's right.
Stay tuned.
That's right.
What
We
else?
better make some more because we used them all up.
That's right. Yeah, no, we got 2 extra.
Not anymore.
Not more. There you go, guys.
They're
Electricians,
going quick.
See how fast they go? You better get your order in now.
electricians put in 2 extras.
How about that?
So what can the guests expect to be able to do here on the first floor?
Well, I mean, you can live. This whole
Yeah.
place it's just
You
like
talk about
a really, really nice
you should.
custom house. The kitchen is going to be fully appointed. One of the coolest things about some of the appliances here is this GE refrigerator has a Keurig coffee maker in the
As
door.
Vanna White is showing.
Easy now, easy now. The other part I really like about this house, and it's one I've been trying to incorporate in one of my construction projects, is that this is like an old style faucet where it comes out of the wall. And the beauty of that is it's easy to clean. There's not all that little stuff coming through the countertop.
Beautiful.
Get what I mean? And it's got a downdraft range, a gas cooktop, and then all of the great things that are in this the kitchen
build.
island that was on the build.
We don't have the chandeliers up here, but we've got 2 refurbished pendants, but we also have one that is Gracie glass. That's my daughter's glass blowing skills, which
Yep.
is really cool.
Yeah, and where there once was a window, which you'll see in one of the episodes where we've turned that old window sash into a mirror, there's now a door out to a large patio where you'll be able to grill out and check out the park
That
that's
view
below
is
us.
awesome. The Roanoke River runs right around, just like a horseshoe right here, and there's a park right across the street.
Yeah.
We got the social media team.
There they are. Come on, girl.
Yeah. So, and of course, it also overlooks the grand iron yard at the back of Black Dog Salvage. So, Mike and I have generously given up our parking spots that we've used for years for the guests.
I really want mine back.
Also on the first floor, there's a dining room with a custom chandelier over it. The living room, which is pretty cool. Nothing special about it except the fireplace that the stonemason built for himself. And then what used to be the kitchen on the other side of the house, that is now going to be the media room, and it's all paneled, and it's a beautiful, cool room.
Very handsome.
Very macho.
And how many bedrooms?
There's three bedrooms, all with en-suite baths. The master suite is really deluxe, and hopefully we're going to show some people around later at a later date.
Yep.
But each one of the bedrooms does have its own bathroom, a custom shower, all pointed with pretty cool Moen faucets.
They shoot you from the side?
Yeah, it's
The master suite does have some body jets, but the other showers have
body jets.
have a rain head and a handheld, and you can also, if you Bluetooth up to it, you can get the shower warmed up for yourself while you're laying in bed.
Wow.
So that's pretty cool.
That's
also,
the luxury.
also upstairs, there's going to be a custom coffee bar with a refrigerator and a Keurig coffee maker, so you don't have to come all the way down here in the morning. You can hang out in the upstairs hallway. There'll be some seating, so very generous. And you can, or on the back deck, there's a second floor deck as well, which that's what that noise was.
And what we did here, we really showed what you could do with salvage in a new build. And this was not this essentially was a new build because we gutted this whole house, put in all new electrical, plumbing, Wi-Fi, the whole bit. But showing how you can use salvage to do really interesting things, even in an old house. So it's really a cool application. It's who we are. We're really kind of being honest to our roots that, upcycling and repurposing stuff is really how to do it. And all the stuff in here is going to be part of our furniture line. And if you like it, you can buy it.
That's right. Trademark.
Hey, I like that idea.
But that's a great overview, fellas.
Yeah.
I'm excited. July 1st is the
Most definitely.
That's like at least before then.
Book early and book often.
Yeah, if you're a member of the crew club, you'll get first rights at running.
Ooh.
So
Salvage.com.
check it out. That's right.
But
you also get 20% off on anything you buy at Black Dog Salvage.
It just keeps
as
getting
well.
better, doesn't it?
Yeah,
the benefits are endless.
Yeah.
it's amazing.
Robert's going to have his own premium crew club soon, like
Robert's
Amazon
Club.
Prime.
Yeah.
Except
He served you
without the
breakfast
free
in the
shipping.
morning. It's kind of surly, but
Lots of
It's
pepper.
really early.
Yeah.
Oh, it's really early.
Oh, yeah.
If you want me to serve you breakfast, it's going to be very
Yeah.
early.
It's
4
9:30, 6
a.m. early, yeah.
What else?
So I think that's is that it?
We still got the boat, the lifeboat.
Yep.
So come.
Come to the warehouse and check out the lifeboat.
Yeah.
I
It's
thought
not
you
For
sold
now,
it.
that's what it is.
Right,
Yeah. Always
Hope springs
getting.
eternal.
It's all right. It hadn't found its right.
We have a ton of those apple crates.
Apple crates, yes. We need. Come on, give us your ideas.
Well, Swooze and I are working on a little DIY kit that we'll be offering with the circular tops that we got. They're actually not from this pick, but apple
The
crate
square
related.
ones,
Little clock
same
kit.
thing. Can do the same
Make
thing with
yourself
them.
clock
Yeah.
kit. But the apple crates themselves, endless possibilities. Shelving units.
Yeah, these are authentic pieces. They were with the farm when it was operational. You can go out and find, cheap ones at big lot stores that are made in some foreign country. These are American made. They got the patina, they got the stencil, they got,
Each
they got
is unique.
character.
Yeah.
Each one's unique. So, when you're buying something old, that's kind of what you got to look for.
Right.
But, go out there and buy some cheap if you want to.
People will know.
It's all good, yeah.
People will
All
know.
your friends will know that you cheaped out.
All right. Well, I think that pretty much covers it for now,
Yeah.
right?
Yep.
Thanks for tuning in.
Yes.
And make sure you come visit us at Black Dog Salvage. You don't have to stay here, but it'd be a good idea.
Yeah, there's
Yeah,
no
there you go.
other places.
Exactly. Where else?
That's
So
it.
That's
Sunday we've got another episode. Tay and I will be going live after the episode.
That's right.
Barring that you feel well again.
Yeah, I feel great.
You feel great? Okay, good. So we'll see you next Sunday about 9:30 Eastern Standard Time here at Facebook.
That's
All
it.
right. Thank you, guys.
Take care, guys.